What's up, you guys? It's Sunday morning, August 4th. We're on our way to Trucks and Coffee. They say it's supposed to rain today, so we don't know. I'm just gonna go check it out, see what's up. So yeah, today we're gonna go put on those slicks. So we're gonna go to the track later on today. I'm gonna have some footage about that. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Hey, ¿qué tal con el famosísimo terrorizing DFW?
Nah, bro, I wish.
Who's that over there? Who's that over there?
Watchale photos.
Watchale. What's up, guys? I just left Trucks and Coffee right now. It was pretty badass, man. There was a lot of nice trucks, clean trucks, lifted trucks, drop trucks, everything out there, man. I was chilling with the Trucks and Coffee tent. So right now I'm on my way to the tire shop so I can throw the slicks on there, and then maybe later on tonight I can head to the track to Extreme out in Ferris, Texas. See if we can really hook now and put some numbers up this time. So that's the plan for today. What's up, guys? We're here at the tire shop right now. About to take off the Mickey Thompsons. We're gonna throw slicks on there. So that's what they're about to do now. We'll test them out right after I leave this bitch. Tire shop right now. We got the slicks on. I just tested them out. They hook pretty good. Let's see how she does at the track tonight. So this is the end of my vlog for this vlog, and I'm gonna do another vlog for when I go to the track. So thanks for the support again, man. Everybody that came out to check my truck out, bought some gear, got decals and everything, man. I appreciate it, man. See you on the next one.